Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to encrypt any USB or external drive on Windows. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. For encrypting, plug your drive and open File Explorer. If you can't find it, simply press the Windows logo key plus E on your keyboard. Now right-click on your flash drive and select BitLocker, then turn BitLocker on. BitLocker is available on supported devices running Windows 10, Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education. Next, wait for BitLocker to start. Now choose a password that you'll use to unlock your flash drive. It's important that you choose a strong password that others wouldn't be able to guess. Never reuse passwords across devices. Your password for your flash drive should be completely new. Now choose how to save your recovery key. The recovery key will let you recover the information on your flash drive in case you forget the password for your flash drive. After that, select what data you want to encrypt. You can select the entire drive or the used disk space only. Both of the options have their own benefit. Now click on Next and then select Compatible Mode as the encryption mode, and lastly click Start Encrypting. Keep your flash drive plugged in for this entire process. You'll receive a notification when the encryption process is complete. Once you receive this notification, it is safe to remove your flash drive from the computer. Now the next time you plug your drive in, and want to access it, you'll be asked for the password to unlock the drive. After you enter the correct password, you can now access the drive. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.